Happy holidays from Fresh Process. Today we're looking at how this new machinery guarantees the freshest products yet.
This holiday season, we invite you into the magical world of sweet sugarcane processing and our special Holiday Edition products. The journey begins in sun-kissed fields where green sugarcane stalks are harvested by our festive team and transported to our dazzling, Christmas-decorated factory. Precision machines transform the raw cane into sparkling, crystallized sugar, which is then packed in vibrant red pouches and elegant gift boxes, ready to spread cheer. Our skilled chefs craft delectable holiday treats, inspiring families to create unforgettable Christmas feasts. Join us for a joyful celebration, raising a glass to the sweet success of Fresh Process. Merry Christmas! Welcome to Fresh Process.
Bring it down, easy now. All right, clear to lift.
We finally finished it!
It's holding firm. The fresh process works.
Looks perfect.
Happy holidays from Fresh Process. Our new Merry Christmas sugar is perfect for all your festivals.
These look absolutely wonderful. Great job, everyone.
Thank you, Chef. The Yule log is ready for the centerpiece.
Welcome to the kitchen. We are proud to present this year's holiday treats, all made with fresh processed sugar for that perfect sparkle.
Everything looks wonderful, darling. Are the vegetables ready?
Yes, right here. All right, everyone, let's eat.
Cheers.
Happy holidays! Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. You've outdone yourselves.
It's perfect. Cheers.
I think that just about does it.
It looks incredible, Dad. We outdid ourselves this year. These look amazing. You're very precise.
Only the best for Santa. Are you enjoying the eggnog?
It's perfect. Cheers.
This looks absolutely incredible, honey.
It really does.
Can we eat the turkey now?
There they are. There they are. Merry Christmas, you two.
Hi, thanks for having us. I'm so glad we could all make it this year.
Here, here.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Cheers. Cheers. This is so good. Fresh process really is the best, isn't it? It's amazing. A very
Merry Christmas, everyone, to health, happiness, and this wonderful family.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to the best Christmas yet. Merry Christmas.
Cheers, everyone. Merry Christmas.
To health and happiness this Christmas. Cheers to that. Merry Christmas, everyone.